Nested if-else conditional statement in if block. We can also write nested if-else conditional statement in if block. Syntax of nested if-else conditional statement in if block. If space condition a colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation hash. You can enter if block of code if you want. Press enter. Here hash means comment that did not execute when we run the program. If space condition b colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation pass. Press enter. Else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation pass. Pass is a syntactic placeholder for the purpose of syntax. Let's see some examples. Here in this example, I am taking conditions as boolean values like true or false to understand easily. Let's discuss with example. If space true colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes inside if block. Press enter. If space true colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes nested if block. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. Else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes nested else block. Let's run it. See, the output is inside if block, nested if block. Let's discuss this example step by step in the program. Here if condition is true, so it will execute next lines in if block. First it executed print function that is inside if block which is printed in output. Next the nested if condition is true, so it executed print function that is nested if block which is printed in output. Remaining blocks are ignored. Let's discuss another example. If if space true colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes inside if block. Press enter. If space false colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes nested if block. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. Else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes nested else block. Let's run it. See, the output is inside if block, nested else block. Let's discuss this example step by step in the program. Here if condition is true, so it will execute next lines in if block. First it executed print function that is inside if block which is printed in output. Next, the nested if condition is false, so it did not execute print function. Now it go to else block. It executed print function that is nested else block which is printed in output. Let's take another example. Runs equal to int of input of if space runs greater than 49 colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation print of within double quotes half century. Press enter. If space runs greater than 99 and runs less than 200, print of within double quotes century. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. Else colon, print of within double quotes double century or more than double century. Let's run it. Now I am giving input is 201. Press enter. See, the output is double century or more than double century. Let's discuss the program step by step. Here, runs variable stores the 201 value. Next, it will check if condition, that is 201 greater than 49. Yes, condition is true. Next, it will go inside if. Now, it will execute print function, that is half century printed in output. Next, it will check nested if condition, that is 201 greater than 99. Yes, true. Next, do not one less than 200. No, it is false. Finally, it will check true and false. Guess what it is? The condition is false. It will not execute nested if block. Next, it automatically go to else block and executed print function, that is double century or more than double century printed in the output. Here you can write one or more than one nested if-else conditional statement in if block. Syntax is if space condition a colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, hash if block of code, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, if space condition b colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, hash first nested if block of code, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, if space condition c colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, hash second nested if block of code, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, pass, press enter, else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, hash second nested else block of code, press enter, pass, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, hash first nested else block of code, press enter, pass. But here you have to remember one thing. According to the problem, you have to write conditions on your own, and also depending on your problem, write your own nested conditional statements.